Hello everyone, welcome to World Map Forum. In today's video, we will discuss about Hemis National Park, the only national park in UT of Ladakh. So let's dive into. So first we will discuss about the location of the park. So let me take you on the Google Earth. So this is the Pyara Bharat, as you can see, and let me zoom this out. You can see here the Hemis National Park, and let me draw here. This is Ladakh and this is Jammu and Kashmir. Here you can see this is Leh, and this is the catchment area of Indus River, and this is the Hemis National Park. Let me zoom this out. You can see this park is located in the mountainous region, and this is tough terrain. So now you have got the idea where the park is located. So let me take you back. This park is the only park in India to be present the north of the Himalaya. As you can see, this is the Hemis National Park, is the only park which is present to the north of the Himalaya. So let me remove this. Okay. So this park is bounded on the north by the bank of Indus River and includes the catchments of Markha, Sumdha and Rumbak and parts of the Janskan range. So basically this is talking about here. Let me show you here. This is Indus River and this is Hemis National Park. So you can see the Indus River is located to the north of the Hemis National Park, and this is Markha River, this is Rumbak River, and this is Janskan River. So this park lies over these catchment areas. So let me erase all this. So now let me take you back. So talking about the geography and ecological significance, the park lies within the Karakoram West Tibetan Plateau alpine steppe ecoregion and contains pine forest, alpine shrublands and meadows, and alpine tundra vegetation. This park lies in a harsh climatic region. So now let's talk about something else. This park lies or located in the rain shadow region of dry subalpine forest. So this park is the largest protected area of Palearctic realm. In the world, there are 8 biogeographical realm, and Ladakh is one of the largest protected area of Palearctic realm. So as we have discussed, Indus River flows from the north of the park. This is the beautiful picture of Indus River, and this park is famous for snow leopard, and in this park the density of the snow leopard is the highest over the world. The park is a home to a number of species of endangered mammals, including the snow leopard. Due to anthropogenic activities, we are losing every day some species, and this is a matter of concern. That's all for today's video. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this in upcoming future, subscribe the channel, and thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.